How to detail your motorcycle. Step 2. The chain clean. Using a good degreaser is key to success, and also speed. There are many cleaners available, some good, some not so good. Paraffin or kerosene are also very effective, and many a chain cleaner will incorporate this. Apply your chosen product and work in with a chain brush. Be sure to clean all sides of the chain and also around the front sprocket. Then rinse, check, repeat if required, before drying and lubricating. Hit subscribe.